lecture. Question. See that find lambda, write down. Find lambda if y is equal to x plus lambda touches ellipse 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. चलो आप करो अभी. So easy question है. देखो आपको कॉन्सेप्ट आया तो आ जाएगा सर. So already I gave the formula, that is c is equal to c square equal to, use it, c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Use this concept, equation of the tangent condition. Equation of the tangent condition क्या है? You know ना equation. Now I told you y is equal to mx plus r minus under root of a square m square plus b square. I used this one, right? Right, this is the condition is what? C square is equal to a square m square b square. तो इधर है ना, इधर देखो सर, ये पैराबोला है, this is the line. So line y is equal to mx plus c form. So what is the m here? M slope is 1. If you compare here, slope is 1, coefficient of x 1 होता है. Y is equal to mx plus c. So coefficient of x m होता है. Are you getting it this? Otherwise you convert into line equation. You know na y is equal to mx plus c. Otherwise you do one thing like this, you can write, and you know slope formula is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Slope formula is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Or directly this is y is equal to mx plus c, m is equal to 1. And a and b values you will get from there, where 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. Divide by 144. So x square by 144 into 9 plus 16y square by 144 is equal to 1. So ये कितने बार कैंसिल होगा? 16 x square upon 16. 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. तो आपको ये इधर a वैल्यू आ गया. a स्क्वायर का वैल्यू कितना है? a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 16, b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 9, m इज इक्वल टू 1. सब्स्टिट्यूट इज. एंड c क्या है इधर? c क्या है? लैम्डा है. y इज इक्वल टू mx प्लस c फॉर्मूला है ना, तो c इज हियर, c इज इक्वल टू लैम्डा. सो लैम्डा सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर. सो लैम्डा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, आई सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर, आई गेट एज लैम्डा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a square 16, m square 1 plus b square 9. So you get y square equal to 25, y is equal to plus or minus 5. Lambda is equal to, sorry, lambda is equal to plus or minus 5. It's a easy question but asked in JEE. What is the question here? The interval of C for which the line y is equal to x plus c neither touches nor intersect the curve x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 is dash. तो इसका कंडीशन क्या है? इसकी कंडीशन नाइदर टचेस नॉर इंटरसेक्ट. इसका कंडीशन क्या है? a स्क्वायर m स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर लेस देन c स्क्वायर. ओके, लेस देन c स्क्वायर यू हैव टू यूज. वही करना है ना. d लेस देन 0, राइट. नाइदर टचेस ग्रेटर देन 0, राइट. d ग्रेटर देन 0. Neither touches nor intersect, d greater than 0. So I wrote reverse formula, I wrote. So c greater than, actually you can write like this also, c square greater than a square m square plus b square. This is the condition for neither touches nor intersect. सब कभी ने बोला suppose intersect, then what do you use? c square less than a square m square plus b square we will use. If it is intersect, this is for intersect, this is for neither intersecting nor cutting, previous one is touching. So substitute here in this, you can substitute y is equal to, you have y is equal to mx plus c, and m is here 1, m is equal to 1 you have, and take this. Okay, in this parabola a square is equal to 16 and b square is equal to 9. Substitute in this, you are going to get the answer. Okay, do it this, you can do it. You got c square greater than 25. So c square minus 25 greater than 0. So c plus 5 into c minus 5 greater than 0. Wavy curve method I explained na already. Take wavy curve method. One is here plus 5 and minus 5. Plus minus plus. So minus infinity to minus 5 union 5 to infinity. So the answer is what? Minus infinity to minus 5 union 5 to infinity is the answer. Okay. Minus infinity to minus 5 union 5 to infinity. Right, sir? Understood? You should know director circle. In circles you know. But in ellipse also there is a director circle. What is that? I will tell you. See, this is ellipse. Okay, this is ellipse. Okay, this is ellipse. आपने एक tangent, एक point से आपने tangent draw किया. Okay. From this point you have drawn another tangent. Now this intersecting point is there. So this intersecting point is, let us take h comma k. The locus of these points which makes 90 degrees. वो डायरेक्टर सर्किल पता है आपको? वो कंडीशन अभी पढ़ाना वाला हूँ. तो do you know, understood? This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent which has the slope. Which has the slope. Means this slope is m1 you think. Slope is m1. Right. This slope is m2. Two tangents are intersecting here. You know na, in circle you have learned. If the intersecting point 90 degrees is there, so which is formed, that is called as a directed circle. Do you remember? Circle concept. Same here also. Here also directed circle. I am going to derive the directed circle. Formula if you want I will tell directly. In ellipse, directed circle formula is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. If you remember, over. But how you got means I am telling you this. If you remember the directed circle, the problem based on directed circle we can solve in ellipse. So what is the directed circle formula is, directly I am telling you this, which makes 90 degrees. The directed circle formula is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Means all these tangents which are going to intersect, means the locus of these all tangents which is perpendicular, these all tangents, the locus of these all forms a directed circle. The equation of directed circle is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. How you got means I will tell you. Now you substitute h comma k in this. H comma, wherever x is there substitute h, wherever y is there you substitute k. So what I get here, k is equal to mh. Proof I am telling you, those who want proof for them. X place I will substitute h, k place, y place I will substitute k. So k minus hx is equal to, I am going to get under root of a square m square plus b square, squaring on both sides. So what I get here, k minus hx whole square is equal to, here I will get as a square m square plus b square. Okay. So what I can write this one as, I can write how much? K square, है ना? I did anything wrong? Did I did anything wrong? Here mx, m I have to write here m, right? X is h na, mh, it must be mh. Here h, here k. So k minus mh, k minus mh. Here k minus mh. Now if I expand this I am going to get it. I will derive many things here. Okay. So what I get here, k square plus m square h square minus, understanding, 2kmh is equal to a square m square plus b square. So I can make the quadratic in m. So what I get here, m square, h square minus a square into m square, right, minus 2k why I wrote here? K is there here. Okay, kmh. Okay, 2kmh, 2khm minus a square minus what is left here? Did you understand here? Did you understand what I said? Here I get HM square and here a square. H square minus a square into m square minus 2kmh, and this is equal to I get plus k square minus b square na is equal to 0, right? So this is quadratic in m, means one is m1, one is m2 quadratics. The roots of the quadratics is m1, m2. Roots of the quadratic is what? m1, m2. So now tell me what is sum of the roots formula? m1 plus m2 formula. Sum of the roots formula. Sum of the roots formula. Minus b by a. So what I get here? Minus 2kh minus b by a means plus it becomes. Minus b by a means h square minus a square. M1 plus m2 is this. What is the product of the roots? Means this one, the product of the roots. What I will get here? C by a. What I get here? K square minus b square by h square minus a square. Okay. Then what is the director circle rule? m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. What is the condition for director circle? Director circle. That is equal to what is the condition? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So if I substitute this, I am going to get the answer. Please note down, I will explain. See here, m1, m2, these are pair of tangents to the ellipse. So condition for that means m1 plus m2 is 2kh by h square minus a square. m1 into m2 is this. Director circle means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Director circle for the ellipse. Director circle for the ellipse will be m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. See here. Now m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Already m1, m2 value how much I got? K square minus b square by h square minus a square is equal to 1. If I do cross multiplication, k square minus b square is equal to h square minus a square. If I send this side everything, so what I get here? H square, see here, h square plus k square. H square minus k square you are getting. Or something, h square minus a square, right? Minus 1, right? This is minus 1 here. Minus 1. So you get here what? Minus 1 into h square minus a square. So what do you get here? K square minus b square is equal to minus h square plus a square. So if you send this side, h square plus k square is equal to a square plus b square. So you know that after that, location of locus whenever is said, h will be replaced with x, k will be replaced with y. So director circle equation you got, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So the director circle of a ellipse is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. This is the proof for director circle. And this is a pair of tangent condition, pair of tangents, sum of the roots, product of the roots, and director circle condition. So for ellipse, director circle is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. Okay, this concept is clear. Tomorrow I will explain you point of tangent. Okay, now I explained the slope of tangent. Slope, I explained with respect to slope. Tomorrow I will explain you point of the tangent, and I am going to explain you parametric point of the tangent, then normal, then chapter will be over. Then based on that we will solve the problems. Over only 2-3 days we will solve the problems, then this chapter will be end. Okay, then we will start hyperbola.